Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to this daily recap. Today is Thursday, December 26th, 2024, so post-Christmas. I've only traded twice this week. Didn't get to do any recording because I went to San Antonio, so a lot of traveling. Let's break it down real fast. We're going to start with a fun update. So we finally got our payout. Tick Trader, a little too thowy, so I'm going to show a screenshot of it hitting the Rise account, which is their payment server. So they pay to Rise and you withdraw from Wise to your bank account. So got that, I think, on Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday, one of those days. And so this account is reflecting $2,000 less, but I'll get into how today's trade went on this account. So we're going to start with Tuesday. I didn't trade Monday. Tuesday, I only traded one account, made $325. Wednesday was Christmas, market was closed, and so that brings us into today. So these are the results from today. So we have the funded account made $500 on this account, $545, and I was actually targeting $1,000, and so I really sold myself short because on this account number 2, I ended up taking the same exact trade, and that one I got close to holding to a full TP, 969. So good enough, but not exactly where I wanted to be on this account. So that brings us to 103,620, which is this amount here, 103,620. So I think we need 3 more days in order, I guess technically 4 more days in order to take another payout. So gonna see about how this one goes. But speaking of that account, so as you can see, I still haven't had a losing day. So the green streak continues. I think today was like day 12 or something, maybe 11. And I had a losing day on this account, so it's just off to a really good start. So we're going to see if we can continue that momentum. But we'll get back into the other combines. So account number 3 today made 583, and account number 4 made 528. On Christmas, they were actually running a special, so I did pick up 2 more combines since I said I would pick up some more once I got that payout. And then just to break down the trades, looking at a 1-hour chart, we had this massive rally Friday, and then we formed this double bottom. We finally broke out of that, and then this area started acting as support on Monday. So Monday and Tuesday we had a nice rally right before Christmas. So I was kind of expecting that momentum to continue. So today all I was doing was looking for longs. Actually, account number 2 and this the funded trade or the funded account, I took those trades last night, or I guess the day prior. So I took longs off of this level here, caught this move up. And then today, I started looking for longs right after the market opened. So on a 15-minute chart, we had this massive rally. Actually, it looked like a fake out. So it was a big dump after the market opened, but then a massive rally to close pretty strong. So my first trade today, I took a long off this level around like 60. Let me go to like a 5-minute chart. I took a long right around here, like at 64. I ended up getting stopped out here at like 40. And then I retook it. My entry was at 41. So first trade on today, took some longs, got out for $500 there. My third trade was on a different account. I took some longs like right around here. That got stopped out, but same thing. I ended up retaking it like right over here. Caught this massive move up. And so I was done for the day, but then I had an alert set literally like this. It was 3 ticks higher than this candle. So whatever this is, I had an alert like right here. So I wanted to short off of this level, and that would have been a beautiful trade. Like it would have been pitch perfect because that was the top. After that, we just sold off. And the worst part about it is I had an alert on my phone as well at 69, but my phone was on silent, and so I didn't see this alert. This one didn't get triggered. So I missed this trade, but it's okay because these accounts were in the green. I would have taken it on account number 6, so account number 6 would have been off to a really good start. That would have been a $1,000 trade. But all in all, today's total comes out to $26.26 and 60 cents. So $2,626.06, which means we only need $4,875.40 in order to get these 3 accounts funded. These 2, obviously, it's another $3,000 each. So really, we're about $10,000 away total from getting all of these accounts funded. But yeah, I mean, after last week, getting off to a bad start on these accounts, now we're sitting pretty. We're right here, 1899, 1061, and then 1163. So a really good recovery. We're a third of the way on account number 3 and 4, and then a little over halfway on account number 2. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. I'm hoping to get at least one of these funded next week, if not all of them. So these are off to a really good start. This account is just on a rampage. We'll see how account 6 and 7 go. And then I was really debating today if I wanted to pick up the 3 My Funded Future accounts, or if I just wanted to get a top step or just hold off for now. I kind of like I kind of like what I've got going on right now with just these 3. You know, introducing another 2. Now I gotta juggle some more accounts, which is fine. It just means that it'll take longer to get all these funded. And the other reason why I'm holding off on the other My Funded Future accounts is because once these are all funded, every company has a rule where you have to place a trade at least once a week. So, you know, this company, Tick Tick Trader, they have that same rule. My Funded Futures, I'm sorry, this is Tradeify. Tradeify has that rule, and My Funded Futures also has that rule. So if I ended up having, you know, was this 5, 8, 9 accounts, I would have to place a trade on each account once a week, or else they'll get it deactivated. So I'll basically lose a funded account for no reason if I can't place a trade that week. And so what ends up happening is I end up forcing trades. I did that one time with Take Profit. I had to place a trade because I was like, if I don't place a trade right now, I'm gonna lose this account. So I ended up just putting a trade on. It was a loser, and I was like, okay, well, now I'm done for the day on this account. But yeah, it just doesn't make for good trading, and so I don't really want to do the same. So I'm just gonna kind of hold off for now, see how these go before I just start adding some more accounts. But I think that's it. I think I covered everything I wanted to. Pretty good update video. Hopefully we can keep the momentum going. And I guess that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you.